You weren't born ugly. You were made ugly by your habits, your choices, and your comfort. You think it's your genetics, but it's not. It's how you move, how you sleep, how you treat your body like a trash bin and expect it to look like a king's. In this video, I'm going to expose 7 habits that silently destroy your appearance, drain your energy, and make you unattractive. Not just physically, but energetically. Because ugliness isn't only on your face, it's in your vibe. Let's start. 1. Touching your face. You touch your face more than you realize. Every time you rest your hand on your cheek, every time you scratch, pick, or lean on your jaw, you're transferring dirt, oil, and bacteria straight into your pores. It's the reason your skin breaks out, your texture looks dull, and your glow disappears. But it's deeper than hygiene. Touching your face is a nervous habit, a physical symptom of insecurity. Confident people move less. Their bodies are still, controlled. So stop touching your face. Stop looking anxious. Control your body, and your face will follow. 2. Chewing on one side. This one's invisible, but deadly. If you always chew on one side of your mouth, your jaw muscles develop unevenly. One side grows stronger, the other weakens. That asymmetry builds over time until your face literally shifts out of balance. You start wondering why one side looks sharper in pictures. It's not the lighting, it's your habits. Fix it. Start chewing on both sides. Symmetry isn't vanity, it's power. Humans are biologically wired to find symmetry attractive because it signals health, balance, and control. 3. Not getting enough sun exposure. You sit inside all day scrolling through fake lives, thinking you're working on yourself while your body is starving for sunlight. Sunlight isn't just about vitamin D. It boosts testosterone, strengthens your bones, improves your mood, and gives your skin life. Without it, you look pale, weak, and drained. Go outside, touch the real world. Get sunlight on your skin for at least 15 minutes a day. You don't need supplements, you need nature. 4. Bad sleep. You can't cheat sleep. You can fake discipline, you can fake confidence, but you can't fake recovery. Sleep is when your body repairs itself. When your face tightens, your hormones rebalance, your eyes clear up. Miss that, and no skincare routine will save you. When you sleep less, cortisol rises. That hormone kills collagen, the very thing that keeps your skin firm and young. So you age faster, look older, and your energy fades. Stop bragging about sleeping 4 hours. That's not alpha, that's delusion. Get your rest. You'll wake up looking sharper, stronger, and more controlled. 5. Too much caffeine. You think caffeine makes you productive. It doesn't. It just borrows energy from your future self. When you overdo it, caffeine dries out your skin, elevates stress hormones, and kills your natural glow. It messes with your sleep, your hydration, and even your digestion. Here's the truth. Too much caffeine makes your face look tired and aged. So the next time you grab your 3rd coffee, ask yourself, do you want energy or the illusion of it? Drink water between cups. Control the dose, or it'll control you. 6. High stress. Stress is the real killer of beauty. You can spot it in a man's face. Tight jaw, wrinkled forehead, empty eyes. He's not aging. He's burning. When you live in a constant state of anxiety, your body releases cortisol non-stop. That slows healing, causes inflammation, and makes your skin dull and lifeless. But the worst part? It shows in your energy. People can sense when you're tense. They can smell desperation. Control your mind. Move your body. Breathe. The most attractive trait a man can have isn't perfect skin. It's calm under pressure. 7. Blaming genetics instead of improving. This is the ugliest habit of all. Blaming your genetics. The "I can't help it, it's just how I am" mindset. No, it's not. You're not ugly because of your parents. You're ugly because you've given up. You stopped training, you stopped learning, you stopped evolving. You use genetics as an excuse to stay comfortable. But let me tell you something. Most good-looking people didn't start that way. They built it through discipline, grooming, fixing posture, dressing better, sleeping right, and facing their insecurities. You can do the same if you stop lying to yourself, because self-respect builds attractiveness faster than any jawline ever could. You're not ugly. You're undisciplined. And every day you let these habits control you, you lose a little more of your edge. Fix them, one by one. Touch less, sleep more, step outside, drink less caffeine, relax your mind, and most importantly, stop blaming and start building. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to look like a man who's working on himself. That's the kind of look people remember. Now tell me in the comments, which habit are you breaking today? And if you're serious about rebuilding your power, subscribe, because this channel isn't for comfort, it's for transformation.